Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing app with live TV and live sports, which are available free of charge for your Fire Stick. The whole process is super easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your device. And firstly, you'll need to get an app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. So if you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could actually skip this step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, or you are unsure if it is set up correctly, then of course just follow me. So we have to go to search on the Fire Stick, and there it is. Let's open the search bar and start typing Downloader in here. And as you can see, now the downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is the app, which you just got to your device. So you get the downloader, and after that, you'll have to set it up as well. So to set up the downloader, we go to settings by clicking that button with a gear icon, scroll down, and then open My Fire TV. So click on it, and from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. And from here, all you have to do is just locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So now what you have to do is go back to a list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, open it, and there is the downloader, which we just got. But before actually using downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing. And it is of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Sweden right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is, open it, and it's time to start using the Downloader, finally. So open it up as well, and here in the search bar, you will have to enter a code, which is gonna be 504 Again, it's 504524. That's the code you have to enter. Then just click on go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about fire sticks. Then this web page will open up for you, and all you have to do in here is scroll down and click on download. If you are using a Fire Stick, you'll have to click on the download for Amazon Fire TV button, obviously. So click on it, and now the download of the app will start. Usually, it does not take long, but of course, it all depends on your connection speed. Then just click install and wait until the installation process is fully finished. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you do not need anymore on your Fire Stick device. So simply click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will save yourself some free space on the Fire Stick. And that's really important because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. Then we go back to a list of apps on your device. There it is. And now there at the bottom, you will find this new app, which we just got. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can use a link below this video to get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free. Then finally open this app. And now here you get access to thousands of channels from all over the world, including US, UK, Canada, Australia, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube obviously doesn't allow me to show you the exact channels that are available in here. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.